Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on sales promotion. Let's start with the introduction. Marketing campaigns consist of many activities, but one of the critical ingredients are the collection of short-term incentive tools known as sales promotion. Sales promotion are targeted towards stimulating the increased purchase of products and services. Advertisements increase the willingness to buy among the consumers, while sales promotion offers an incentive. One of the sales promotion tools is consumer franchise building, where they put selling messages along with various deals like free samples, awards, coupons, and premiums related to the product. Moving on to the aspect of digitization and sales promotion. Digital coupons offer convenience and low cost by eliminating printing cost and reducing paper waste. They are easily obtainable and have a higher redemption rate compared to other mediums. Many companies are now exploring innovative techniques in this domain, such as offering different coupons to consumers based on their search history. Moving on to the significant decisions in sales promotion. First, establishing objectives. For a particular product, sales promotion objectives are dependent on communication objectives, which are further derived from primary marketing objectives. Generally, objectives are to encourage consumers to purchase frequently or purchase larger units, create awareness among non-users, and convert them as a customer, keeping the consumers without brand loyalty away from competitive brands. Next, selecting consumer promotion tools. A promotion planner must consider the type of market, sales promotion objectives, competitive environment, and cost effectiveness of the tool to carry out a successful promotional campaign. Next, selecting trade promotion tools. Manufacturers use trade promotion tools to encourage retailers and manufacturers to stock the brand and promote it by featuring, displaying, and by giving price discounts. Moving on, developing the program. In planning sales promotion programs, marketers are increasingly blending several media into a total campaign concept. While planning sales promotion programs, marketers are increasingly coordinating across several media to give out the consistent message throughout the campaign. Next, implementing and evaluating the program. Marketing managers must consider appropriate lead time and sell-in time to implement and control each promotion. Manufacturers can evaluate the effectiveness of the program using sales data, consumer surveys, and experiments. Moving on, sales as in the scanner data helps manufacturer identify the type of customers who took advantage of the promotion, their buying patterns before the promotion, their behavioral pattern post-promotion. And finally, sales promotions are considered most successful when they attract consumers that usually buy competitor products. Now moving on to the examples of sales promotion, let's start with the first one, Alibaba's Singles Day. November 11 is world's biggest 24-hour shopping event, which is known as the Singles Day. It was a sardonic response of bachelors to Valentine's Day. This day was transitioned in 2009 into Double One by Daniel Zhang, who was earlier the executive at Alibaba but currently the CEO. This day represents a cultural event of relentless retail therapy, coupons, exciting promotions, and social media games through media campaigns for retailers across the country. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba kept the world's largest 24-hour shopping event on Singles Day, setting a sales record on Singles Day. Towards the end of the event in 2019, the gross merchandise value experienced a 26% rise on the figure it posted last year and stood at 268.4 billion yuan. In terms of US dollars, gross merchandise value stood at approximately $38.3 billion. Moving on to the next one, Black Friday sale. Although Black Friday is predominantly celebrated across the US, on this day, many people around the world are on a shopping spree, spending billions of dollars to take advantage of sales promotion. Black Friday is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November, a Friday after the Thanksgiving, and is informally called Black Friday in the United States. On this day, many shops open their stores earlier than usual, such as at midnight or even while Thanksgiving is going on, offering highly promoted products. Going further, in 2019, online shoppers purchased goods worth $7.4 billion, making the world's second largest online sales day ever. In Muslim countries, which consider Friday as a day with religious significance, Black Friday has been rebranded to avoid the negative connotation of the word black. The rebranding conveys the day with the blessing. Amazon's massive e-commerce website, Souq, which is predominantly present in the Arab market, launched the concept of White Friday in 2014 to sidestep Black Friday. Moving on to the next example, Johnnie Walker's tie-up with Game of Thrones. Johnnie Walker's tie-up with Game of Thrones helped the brand maintain its positions as the world's top whiskey brand. The Game of Thrones collection, White Walker by Johnnie Walker, is a limited edition based on Game of Thrones antagonist White Walkers, with 8 malls from Diageo distilleries close to Scotland paired alongside House of Westeros. Diageo's net sales shot up, reporting £6.9 billion with a 5.8% growth compared to the previous year. It also reported its operating profit of £2.4 billion, reporting 11% growth compared to last year. This limited edition blend brings you right to the frozen north with an icy white and blue design along with the iconic Johnny Walker striding man, now fashioned in an armor to fit in among the ranks of the Night King's forces. And moving on to the final examples, the first one in this is the Heineken Cooler Pack. The Cooler Pack is a transportable beer container. A consumer can open the container, add ice into it and enjoy the chilled beer. It is an innovative 18-pack cardboard packaging which enables consumers to enjoy chilled Heineken. And the final example on Nestlé's personalized KitKat promotion. Nestlé Confectionery offered its consumers a chance to win personalized messages and pictures on KitKat packs. Consumers could make an entry online with the help of an on-pack code which personalized messages and photos. The winning entry will have a message and picture printed on a unique KitKat paper. More than 55,000 personalized messages and photographs were delivered to consumers. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on sales promotion. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.